Welcome to the World Quiz channel. Are you ready to challenge yourself? You'll earn 1 point for every correct answer. Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy the video. Let's get started.
What medication was once commonly used as rat poison? The human heart has how many chambers? How many planets make up our solar system? How much radiation does a banana emit? Along with oxygen, which element is primarily responsible for the sky appearing blue? What is an alternative name for multiple personality disorder? How many chromosomes are in your body cells? The most frequent subconscious activity repeated by the human body is blinking. On which mission did the Space Shuttle Columbia break up upon re-entry? What is the largest animal currently on Earth? Which type of rock is created by intense heat and pressure? The Big Bang Theory was first theorized by a priest of what religious ideology? What is the chemical formula for ammonia? What is the most potent toxin known? Dry ice is the solid form of what substance? An average human can go 2 weeks without water. Tachycardia or tachyarrhythmia refers to a resting heart rate near or over 100 peg. Down syndrome is usually caused by an extra copy of which chromosome? What animal takes part in Schrödinger's most famous thought experiment? Male pandas do handstands while urinating on trees. Who is the chemical element curium named after? How many laws of thermodynamics are there? Which of the following is not one of the groups on the periodic table? Which psychological term refers to the stress of holding contrasting beliefs? Centripetal force is an apparent force that acts outward on a body moving around a center, arising from the body's inertia. Which moon is the only satellite in our solar system to possess a dense atmosphere? Which gas forms about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere? What is the unit of electrical capacitance? How many bones are in the human body? What common name is given to the medial condition tibial stress syndrome moves? Which portion of the marijuana plant produces the psychoactive substance known as Ganymede is the largest moon of which planet? Which Apollo mission was the first one to land on the moon? Celiac disease is a disease that affects the heart, causing those affected to be unable to eat meat. What part of the brain takes its name from the Greek for seahorse? Which one of these is scientific term for brain freeze? All the following metal elements are liquids at or near room temperature except which of the following men does not have a chemical element named after him? What is the half-life of uranium-235? A positron is an antiparticle of a what? What mineral has the lowest number on the Mohs scale? Where is the gluteus maximus muscle located? What is the thin, outermost layer of the Earth? Shrimp can swim backwards. What is stenoma? Enthalpy is a measure of the energy that is not available for work during a thermodynamic process. How many degrees Fahrenheit is 100 degrees Celsius? What is the speed of light in a vacuum? What was the first organic compound to be synthesized from inorganic compounds? Muscle fiber is constructed of bundles small long organelles called what?
Thanks for watching World Quiz. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you never miss a new challenge. See you in the next quiz.